Quick reading for January the 14th to the 21st, Aries. This will be your weekly. Eight of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Hierophant. So, one thing's for sure, may nang iwan, no? Meron ditong parang sinabi, ayoko na, no? Hindi ko na gustong ipagpatuloy, or probably nabagot dito sa relationship dahil parang walang excitement, no? Kung sino man itong umalis, kung sino man itong nang iwan, parang bebuelo, no? Meron itong 160-degree turn na parang, uy, sandali, hindi pala yun yung gusto ko mangyari. Akala ko wala na akong feelings. Actually, yung separation parang naging blessing pa nga. Kasi this is where the person, no, yung nang iwan, yung parang feeling niya wala na siyang nararamdaman. Parang yun yung nagpagising din, yung separation na to na ay mahal ko pala yung person, ay mahal ko pa pala, ay hindi ko pala dapat siya iniwan. And it felt like there will be apology here at eto yung pagkakasundo, no, or pagkakaroon din ng agreement for the both of you to fix the relationship. So this is your quick reading, Aries, for weekly January the 14th to the 21st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.